Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this gatefold gift card holder. Isn't it cute? Making this Happy Easter card with all these cute little animals. Alright, so you open the card and then you have the gift card holder inside, but then you also have the three little animals peeking over the little ledge here for the pocket holder. Isn't that cute? So let me show you this designer paper because it's a celebration item. Okay, so this is the second release of the celebration item. These items are available till the end of March. So March 31st will be the last day to get these items. And the So Very Vellum Specialty Designer Series paper is right here on page 7. And I'll have the link to this mini catalog in the description. Let me show you here without this catalog behind here. So this is the pool party. This is the color we're going to use today. And you're going to get 6 sheets, 2 of each of the 3 colors. So we have pool party, soft sea foam, which is beautiful, and then of course the purple posy, which is my favorite. Okay, so we're going to use the pool party version with the pool party cardstock. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's start with the base. This is the pool party. This is cut at 5.5 by 8.5. We're going to score this together. All right, so then the Whisper White piece, this is cut at 4 by 5.25. That's going to be for the inside. And then for the Very Vellum, this is going to be for the front. I'm going to cut 2 pieces. This piece is cut at 2 3/8 by 5 3/8, and then this piece is cut at 1 7/8 by 5 3/8. Then this will be for the front for our 3 little animals. The Whisper White piece is cut at 3 by 4 3/4, and then this piece of the So Very Vellum is cut at 2 3/4 by 4 1/2. And then this piece of Whisper White is cut at 2 1/2 by 4 1/4. Okay, so then this piece right here is we're going to do some stamping. We're going to do the technique called masking. Okay, so we're going to grab our trimmer and we're going to score first at 2 1/2. And then we're going to slide it down to 6 3/4. Okay, I'm going to score it 6 3/4. So then you fold on the score lines, and this is going to make your gatefold. Isn't that cute? All right, so now let's go ahead and do some masking. So this is the stamp set we're using, Welcome Easter. So I'm going to take my little lamb here and then my little chick. And I went ahead and stamped them on a piece of copy paper, and then I hand cut them out. So you can tell I've already stamped on them quite a bit. And then on the back side, I'm just putting some removable adhesive, which I get mine at Staples. This is what that looks like. So the idea is that when you lay this over top of your image, it's not going to stick permanently. It's just a temporary hold. Okay, so we're going to grab our first layer here, and we're going to go ahead and stamp our little images. So I got them all right here. We're going to use the Memento ink because I'm going to color these in with the Stampin' Blends. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and first stamp our little chick here. I'm going to stamp chicks right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and stamp the little lamb over here on the other side of the chick. I want to leave some space in between the two so I can stamp the little bunny rabbit. Okay, and then we're going to take our masking. I'm going to put them right over top of our images that we stamped. So the little chick is going to get covered up, and then the little lamb. No, it doesn't look very pretty like that because I've stamped this so many times. So we're going to take our little bunny rabbit, ink this one up, and then we're going to stamp right between those 2 animals. Okay, and then once you remove it, let me grab my take your pick tool. Okay, so you can see that the bunny rabbit is sitting like behind the sheep and the little chick. Isn't that cute? Here, let me show you up close. Isn't that adorable? I love it. All right, so then let's go ahead and stamp the inside as well since we got our inks out and our mask. So I'm going to take the 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece, and I'm also going to put some removable adhesive on here so it doesn't move. And I'm going to position this right where I want it on the inside of the card. Just like that. I'm going to grab my pencil and I'm going to use the smaller end. So remember, this is the larger end here, and I'm going to use the smaller end for my little pocket for my cards. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line so I know exactly right where to stamp, a light pencil line, and then I'm going to grab a gift card. Grab this gift card here. I'm going to put that in the gift card pocket, and I'm just going to draw like a guide so I know right where to stamp my animals. All right, so then we can take this piece out. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp the chick over here. Now remember, we just want like part of his face or his head sticking out like it's looking over that little ledge of the gift card holder pocket. So I'm just going to kind of imagine it's going to be right there. And then we're going to take our masking again with our little chick. Put that over that. We're going to stamp our bunny rabbit, because stamping the bunny rabbit next to the chick, like if I was doing it in a direct line, the bunny rabbit would be covered over our gift card. Remember, we put our gift card in here just like that. So I'm going to stamp the bunny rabbit kind of over this chick so he fits in that area. Just like that. Plus you just want the face of the bunny rabbit sticking out anyway. So cute. And then for the little lamb that's behind the gift card, so when the gift card's removed, the little lamb's face will pop out. I'm going to stamp that right in that area of the gift card pencil line that I made on that. Okay, so then we're just going to go ahead and erase our pencil line. All right, so then you can do a test run. Put it inside your card. And fold up the smaller panel here. It's right there. Isn't that cute? All right, so I went ahead and already colored these two layers here with the animals just to save some time, but let me show you what I used for the coloring. Okay, so I used the pumpkin pie in the light, and the petal pink in the light, and the flirty flamingo in the light. Then the rest of them in the combos. So this is the smoky slate combo, the pool party combo, the crumb cake combo, and then also the daffodil delight combo. Okay, so those were what I used on our little images here. Aren't they adorable? So let's go ahead and assemble our card now. Okay, so we're going to be attaching the So Very Vellum to our pool party cardstock with the mini glue dots. So I'm going to attach a glue dot to each of the corners of our layers. And you won't even be able to see the glue dots. They're just like they're invisible, which is amazing. Making sure that the vellum, since this is embossed here, I don't know if you can tell that or not, but it's raised up, so that means it's embossed. So I'm keeping the embossed side facing up when I'm putting my glue dots on. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and build our front of the card. Let me get my bone folder so I can burnish this edge really nicely. Okay, so then remember on the smaller side, we're going to put some tear and tape. We're going to put this on both of the ends. You don't want to put it across this edge because the gift card won't be able to slide in. To put our insert into the card. Then we're going to fold this up to make our little pocket. And then let's get our gift card here. So see, the gift card is going to cover up the little lamb there. Isn't it cute? All right, so then to decorate the front, we're going to layer these 3 pieces together. So once again, I'm going to use the glue dots, the vellum. Okay, now we're going to put some dimensionals just along the top edge. Let me grab those. Okay, we're going to close the card, and then we're going to put that right over top of that gatefold. Okay, so there's a couple more things that I want to do to this card. One of them I did to the sample, which I wanted to stamp the Happy Easter. So the Happy Easter is 1 stamp, and I just cut it in half when I stamped it. And then I layered that onto the pool party, which I have them right here. And these are going to get dimensionalized. So let me put some dimensionals on those. Okay, so Happy is going to go over here. And then Easter is going to go over on this side. So cute. And then for the inside, I went ahead and stamped Have a Wonderful Easter. Now this is from the same stamp set. Now you can put it up here. I thought it'd be really cute down here. So I'm going to go ahead and put dimensionals on that as well. Okay, so we're going to put this right down here at the bottom. Isn't that cute? Adorable. All right, and then one more thing. We're going to add some Wink Stella. And I'm just going to touch on certain places on each of our animals. So like the beak on the chick, and the little flip-de-doo on the top. And then the bunny is the ears and his nose, and then his chest. And then the sheep is going to be his nose and the bow. Then don't forget to do the inside as well. Isn't it cute? So then here's the gift card. Adorable. And then here's the other one. So cute. Okay, so I have the list of all the items that I used today on this card. And then I also have the link to the second release of the Sale-a-Bration items. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.